In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group texts in Canva. Grouping your text elements is a simple way to keep your layout tidy and make moving, resizing, and rotating multiple text boxes happen all at once. It's especially helpful when you've styled a headline and subheading and want them to stay perfectly aligned as you continue designing. Start by opening your project. With your design on the canvas, make sure nothing is currently selected. The easiest way to do that is to click once on any blank area outside your elements. This clears any previous selection, so you're starting fresh. Now, click and hold your mouse on a blank spot, then drag to draw a selection box around the text elements you want to group. As you drag, Canva highlights the items inside your selection so you can see what's being included. Release your mouse when the text you need is selected. If you accidentally catch an extra element, just click again on a blank area to deselect and try one more time. Take a moment to be precise here. Clean selection makes the next step seamless. A quick tip: if your texts sit close to images or shapes, drag from a different direction or adjust your view so you only capture the text boxes you intend to group. Once you have the correct elements selected, a small context bar appears near your selection or at the top of the editor. This bar shows actions that apply to what you've selected. Look for the button labeled Group and click it. That's the entire action. No extra setup needed. You'll know it worked when a single bounding box surrounds all the chosen text. From this point, you can move them together with one drag, resize the group from a corner handle to scale everything proportionally, or rotate them as a unit. The spacing and alignment between the text elements will stay locked in, which keeps your typography consistent as you refine the rest of the design. If something doesn't look right, for example, if the group button doesn't appear, double-check that more than one element is selected. The context bar only offers group when multiple items are chosen. Also, make sure the elements you want aren't locked, because locked items won't be included in a group. And that's it. Open your project, click outside to clear any selection, drag to select exactly the text elements you want, then click Group in the context bar. With this quick workflow, you'll keep your text organized, speed up layout changes, and maintain a clean, professional look across your Canva designs.